Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at the volume, definitely well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 34 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price drops down below 34, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that, yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power in the bull's direction. Now, taking a step back and looking at this from more so a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 34 cents, that would be great. But from the big picture, like I said, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. A couple different occasions today. The price tried to get up through that 40-cent mark and couldn't quite do it. So that'll definitely be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, resistance levels really don't matter that much. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing. And what has it been doing? You look at where the lows have been over time, and you can see that these lows keep creeping higher and higher. Or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that's what you want to see. As long as there's higher stair steps being put into place, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking those areas of resistance. So nice move today, but just focus on those stair steps, focus on building higher bases. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.